Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I want to show you how to find tokens because a lot of people are always asking what platform should they buy a particular token, what exchange do they buy a particular token from. This video is going to answer that question for you. So in order to find a coin, once anybody mentions a particular coin, so that you don't go about always asking where do you find the coin, here's a simple way on how to find it. The two apps you want to download for this purpose are CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, right? So I'm going to start with CoinMarketCap because it's at the top. I'll click on CoinMarketCap. And then when you get into CoinMarketCap, you can just go to the home page and then you simply click on the search button at the top and you search for a particular coin. So let me use FTM for example. I'll just click on FTM and then it will bring out the chart of that particular coin or token, right? And then you just head over to the market section, and once you go to the market section, it will tell you the different markets where you can actually buy FTM. As you can see, it's listed Uniswap, PancakeSwap. You can see this column in the center. These are the different platforms where you can buy this particular coin. So it means that all these platforms in the center here, you can buy this particular coin on them, and it now tells you the pair, as the currency pair that you can use to exchange this particular coin, which is FTM. So if you keep scrolling, you see all the platforms. You can see it's on Binance, it's on KuCoin, it's on FTX, it's on Gates.io, it's on Gemini. You see it's on Bitfinex. So it's on all these places, right? It's on OKEx. So that is the simple way on how to know the platform or the market where a particular coin is listed, instead of always asking people. Now the second app is CoinGecko, right? CoinGecko, this is how CoinGecko looks. So once you get into CoinGecko, again the same thing, you just go either at the top or the bottom and click on the search button. So let me search for FTM again, and you can see when I click on FTM, it shows me the graph, that's the current chart, the current price of the coin. And then when I click on exchanges, it now gives me all the markets, that's the exchanges where I can buy this particular coin FTM. So once you see anybody mention any particular coin, instead of asking that question of, oh, what platform do I buy the coin, or where do I go to buy it, just use these two apps, click on exchanges, and then come here and it will tell you all the exchanges. So you don't have to choose, there's no one that is above the other. Just look at all of them and it will tell you if a particular coin is on a platform. If you are seeing a coin that is not on a particular platform, just go and download the app or sign up on that particular exchange so that you can get the coin. Most of the popular exchanges are Binance, Gates.io, Crypto.com exchange, KuCoin. Sometimes you see MEXC. Sometimes you see Uniswap or PancakeSwap if it's one of the decentralized tokens, right? So this is a simple way of actually knowing the exchanges where a coin exists. Another benefit of these two apps, which is CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, is that they also give you some information about the coin. So it gives you current information about the coin. It tells you about the coin. You see the coin homepage, you see their social media, you see their chat, you see their Discord, and it gives you like a description of what the coin is about. If you go back to the price chart and you scroll down to the bottom, it gives you other information like the contract address of the coin, the market cap rank of the coin, the market cap, the valuation, the trading volume, and other very useful information. The last time that the coin was at an all-time high, if you look at where it says all-time high, you see it gives you the highest price that this coin has ever reached. For FTM at the time of recording this video is $3.46. So that's the highest price that FTM has ever reached, and the all-time low is 0.00190227. So it gives you a lot of information to go off. That is why these two apps are recommended for doing your research when it comes to buying any coin and doing some basic analysis on the coin. So that's it for this video. Hope it was helpful. Let me know your thoughts below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.